Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're back with something which has been flooding the comment section. And I see why. But we're here with Lalisa. So Lisa Money. This is an exclusive performance video. It's currently sitting at 1 billion views on YouTube. Crazy. So we're gonna jump in this one and hear what this megastar has to say. So let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
I also want to thank everyone that's been subscribing, commenting, dropping the likes. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. So let's jump in this one and hear what Lisa has to say. Let's go.
It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'ma spend this track.
Hold on. I can't help but notice this sign. Money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant. Money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant.
It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'ma spend this track, everything on me. Yeah, I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check the money making bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the stars is
Hold on. What are we saying here? What are we looking at?
It's
Wow.
the end of the month and the weekend.
Yeah.
I'ma spend this track, everything on me. Yeah, I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check.
I'm gonna drop it like it's pouring. I'm gonna pour it on myself. Wow.
I'ma spend this track, everything on me. Yeah, I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check the money making bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the stars say sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills, won't you falling for me? I love the way that feels. Dollar bills,
She's just different, bro. She's different, man.
I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight.
Where have I heard this before?
I buy the things I like.
That style of rapping, I've heard someone with that before. But obviously she's making it hers. Like,
So yummy, yeah.
she's killing it.
Twerking when I buy the things I like.
Oh, which rapper is this?
All this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight.
Nah.
Everyone silent. Listen to my money talk.
What the fuck?
It's the end of the month and the week.
Weekend.
I'ma spend this track, everything on me. Yeah, I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check the money making bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch.
Nope.
I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the stars say sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills, won't you falling for me? I love the way that feels. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love
She's
the
bad.
way you
She's
feel.
bad.
Came here to drop some money, dropping all my money.
Drop.
Some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight. Everyone silent. Listen to my money talk, spend how I like it. Yeah, everyone know what I mean. When it's a green, that mean go. Give me what the hell I want.
Everyone know what I mean. Know what I mean when they see green. When they see green, green means go. Green does mean go, but also green mean money. Money green. That's what she's singing about. That's what she's talking about.
Listen to my money talk, spend how I like it. Yeah, everyone know what I mean. When it's a green, that mean go.
Go.
Give me what the hell I want. Give me what the hell I want. Check the money making bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the star says sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills, watch it falling for me. I love the way that feels. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money.
Drop.
Some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking when I buy the things I like.
Woo.
Dollars dropping on my ass tonight.
Woo.
Some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah.
Drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah.
Fuck out of here, man.
My money moves, money I choose. Sleeve my shoes, walking on you. My money rules, my money moves, money I choose. Watch all my wars, yes, dollars we dropping on you. Dropping on you. Dropping on you.
Wow. 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 Can I just say this? For this long, long time, I have not seen an artist who is complete. Like, she has everything. Her vocals are crazy. Her style, her charisma, is crazy. She looks the part. She can move. Yo, she's got the complete package. She's the complete pop star. She's confident with it because she knows that she's a badass. So she's confident with that shit. Yo, Lalisa, jeez. What can I say? You are the complete pop star. And I'm glad that I found the first track of yours, which is the first one I listened to, which was Rockstar. Um I'm glad this opened up a can of worms for me. And you guys in the comment section, you guys just forwarding and you guys just subscribing. Thank you guys very much, and thank you for pointing me to which song to react to. Let me know which one I should react to next. And I will definitely do that. What can I say? This is a whole different side of world I'm on right now, and I am really enjoying myself. You guys are making me feel at home, man. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it so much. Elisa! Jesus Christ, girl. You are a pop star, my friend. Not just any pop star. You are the complete pop star of this century. I'm going to say that. The numbers are speaking for itself. Your fan base is speaking for itself. Your songs is speaking for itself. I'm saying it as it is. You are the most complete pop star of this era. No joke. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I will catch you guys in another one. Peace. Wow.